What's up, guys? As soon as I turn the camera off, I get a bike up behind me. I don't know who he is, what he's riding. I don't think he has a helmet on, so that's sad. You should protect yourself. But these are the twisties I like to show you. And unfortunately, we're gonna take them slow. Nothing more we can do. This ain't no fun. Ah. Oh, there's the bump I was expecting. Yeah, I was gonna say they filled it. Nope. I'm in 5th gear. This is just chilled out. Not even cruising. Another bump. I'm getting antsy. See, guys? Slow isn't that great. Still a good road. That truck's taking it like a champ. I don't know if I'd be doing it at 45 in a truck with explosives on it. Alright, now this one, if you're going fast, it can be real fun. Wee-haw! And then here you open it up, and there's a straightaway, and we can't do that right now. So there you go. See how much fun that could have been? And then up here, you open it up, you go 80, 95. And then you get to this one, and this one, this can catch you. You gotta be real careful on this one. This one can catch you, send you into the field, but you gotta jump that gorge before you. Yeah, no, you can't really survive that one if you hit it too fast. There we go. That's that. Alright, then it's a straightaway. Not even exciting. Catch you on the next one. Alright. I don't see any cars ahead of me. Do this. Dirt in the road, that can get slick. Alright, scrub the tires. You gotta keep your eyes peeled for every incoming car. They could be coming from anywhere. Come around a corner, could be cones, a truck. There's a road right there. Cars can come out of there pretty quick. Now we got a famous traffic circle. Infamous. Here we go. Yeah, there's dirt on here too. I don't trust this. there it is, because a cop sits up here and we're not getting pulled over. That's all we got. I've done 0 to 60 pulls and there's a cop that sits right there. He's not there today. Good. Alright guys, one more twisty and I'll let you go. And it's ruined by a car. What are you gonna do? Some days you just can't win. Alright y'all, I'll see you later.